Hi everyone, welcome back to Like.Mother.Like.Daughter. I have a Peaches and Petals box for you today. Let's get into it. So if you don't know, Peaches and Petals is a lifestyle monthly subscription box for women. It is $19.99 a month and they do send this box to us free for review. This is July's box. I know it's August, but this is July's box, and the reason it's a little late in showing you what it is because one of the products was damaged. I got this really late, like the very last day of July, and it says, "Freedom also means a lot more to us, and we're thankful for it every day. We hope everyone enjoyed celebrating our nation's independence and had a happy 4th of July." There are a couple of things about this box that I will share with you that you need to know if you're going to subscribe to it. I think it's a great subscription if you like getting surprises. The one surprise that I don't like getting is broken items in the box, and that has happened several times because whoever packages their boxes doesn't put any packing supplies inside it, so there's no protective wrapping or anything. There just seems to be some little paper worms. So Peaches and Petals, if you're watching, please rethink that. I know you're trying to save money to get out the subscriptions to everyone, but no one likes to receive a broken product. So we'll get right to what the broken product was. It is this Cobble Creek stacking jar measuring cups, set of 4. Is very, very cute, and you can hear it. And as soon as I got the box, that's what I heard. So I opened it up, and indeed the bottom piece was broken. So I did email them and say, "Hey, you got a broken product. I hate to review a box with a broken product. Can you send a replacement?" And they did. And here is the replacement. So that is why this box is late in reviewing. I did not want to put up a review with a broken product because their customer service is really good. I haven't had any issues with their customer service. So here's the 1 cup. Here is the half cup. Here is the 3rd cup. And then here is the 1/4 cup. You see the lines right here. So this is how cute. It says "measured with love." And it's really cute, setting on your counter. You can take it out and use your measuring cups. The other thing, I said there was a couple things I wanted you to know. The other thing is it comes really, really, really late in the month. So typically you're gonna see my reviews for the previous month. So this is August and I'm reviewing July's box because it comes generally at the very last of the month. I really wish it came sooner, but so this is a adult coloring book. It is Alice in Wonderland, 55 removable coloring plates. Oh, so they look, the spine is a little broke on it, but I think it's just so that you can color them and then you can take them out. So it is the story. It does tell the story along with the pictures. So that's kind of neat. The next thing we have in here is a pair of sunglasses. Emergency exit, made in China. It says these are $14. They are cute. They have little anchors on them for like at the sea, and it says Surge on the eyeglasses. So here they are, very, very cute. There I am. We did get a pair of sunglasses in, I think it was May's box as well. May have been June's. So the last 2 things that are in here, and here's the paper. That's all the packing that came in it. Now when they sent the replacement out and it had this paper in the box, and then it was double, triple wrapped and taped with the bubble wrap. So if they've taken that kind of care with it initially, they wouldn't have, and I saw that I was not the only one that had a broken ceramic. If they're gonna send items that are made of ceramic or glass or that can break, I would really appreciate that they take the initiative to make sure that those items are packed and insulated really well so that they don't have the extra cost of sending out more replacement products. The last 2 things is a Caribbean Passion peeling soap. This is exfoliating beauty cream cleanser. Is this for your body or your face? I don't know. Let me look. Let me get my old lady glasses on. Just says it washes away dead skin cells and impurities with coconut oil, chamomile flower extract, olive fruit oil, jojoba seed oil to massage into skin. So it just says avoid contact with eyes. So I'm assuming that you could use this on your face and your body. And that's kind of nice. And I'm not going to open this up because there's a surprise at the end. And the last thing that is in here are makeup removing cleansing towelettes, and I really like getting these in here because I wipe my vanity off with makeup cleansing wipes. I wipe swatches off. I sometimes quick clean brushes with them. I really like having these handy at my vanity. There are 30 in here. This is tea tree, and it says it contains anti-aging agents. So that is what we have for the month of July. Makeup remover wipes, some cleansing exfoliating soap, some cute little blue navy anchor sunglasses, a adult coloring book, and this cute little measuring cup jar set that you can have on your counter. So here's the surprise. This is going to be a giveaway. I am giving this away to one of my subscribers. This is open internationally. So the only thing is I will package this really, really well, I promise. But if it does arrive to you broken, I am sorry. I won't be able to replace it because the only other one I have is broken. We'll cross our fingers. I'll package it really well, and we'll just pray that it gets to you safely. So the rules, just be a subscriber of mine and comment down below what you like about the Peaches and Petals subscription, because I think it's a really fun subscription, especially to gift somebody. Give them a 3-month, 6-month subscription. It's really fun, and it's a surprise every month. So thank you, Peaches and Petals, for sending this to us for review. Also, thank you for sending out a replacement item. That's really great of you. Great customer service, everyone. Comment down below, enter the giveaway, and I don't know, we'll let this run a couple weeks. Everybody have a great day. Come back and see me again. Mwah!